Sometimes when we using the machines, the mixer will get stuck very tightly. We call it stuck cylinder. The entire mixer stuck inside and unable to be pulled out. First, we need to check if there is water in the mixer. If there is water in the evaporator that has not been wiped clean, but the mixer is in the freezer for a long time, the mixer is prone to swelling. Swelling can cause cylinder jamming, and then it can't be pulled out. After pulling it out, we can use a small knife to trim it slightly along the edge of the stirrer. After the trim, the mixer can be put it back in normally. Second, no mix and water in evaporator, but press wash button rock long time. Long-term operation and cleaning function of the machine. Then friction generates heat, causing the agitator to swell and deform. Then get stuck in the cylinder. During we use the machine, we must remember, be sure not to press the cleaning button when the cylinder is empty. Cleaning an empty cylinder can easily damage the agitator. It must to pour water or materials inside the cylinder.